one of the tools that we have are plants that are engineered with what's called a gene reporter. And a gene reporter is a gene that you introduce into the plant that is combined with a section of the plant, or excuse me, a section of the gene that is a sensor, and then another section of the gene that is a reporter in that that protein makes a color that you can see. So if the plant is exposed to some kind of environment, the sensor part recognizes that, I'm stressed, and I'm going to turn on this gene, and then the gene is expressed, and any tissue that that gene is now active will turn a color. And so the two types of genes that we used in this for these tools is one that turns blue with a special type of stain, and another one that is green fluorescent protein that glows when you expose it to shortwave blue light. And so those are the two tools that we use for plants to report on their environment, and that's kind of how we got into the business, is using those tools in a spaceflight environment. One of the ideas that have been put forth is that if you had to use these biological reporters to, say, report on the happiness, if you will, or the productivity of a particular plant in a field or in a greenhouse, that you could collect those data telemetrically with remote cameras, you wouldn't have to have as much input of human resources or human time to go in and monitor things like the pH of a greenhouse, nutrient system, or temperature controls or things, if you were able to monitor plants engineered with these kinds of gene reporters from a distance.